Hello. As you know, yesterday was the beer pong evening, which was really awesome. A lot of people participated. I don't know who were the champions because I didn't stay until the end. We did have a visit from some old partners, the Batucada Radical, who came to play to make some noise and to make us happier. So I will show you here with some pictures and videos what happened there. So see, if you were lazy and you decided to stay at home, you really lost here quite a great opportunity to meet a lot of new people and a lot of happy people, and even sharing quite a nice, really interesting beer pong. Well, next week there will be more. Maybe it won't be the same. Maybe it will be even more awesome. Well, it will depend on everyone else. If you want, just join us and keep yourself updated by our Facebook page.